go ahead and please just find a comfortable seat. You can sit on the floor, you can sit on a cushion, a bolster, you can sit on your couch, you can lie on the floor, wherever you're comfortable. So go ahead and find that comfortable place. And begin to just settle in where you are. Take a nice deep inhale as you elevate your shoulders, and as you exhale, sigh, releasing your breath, letting that go. Take a nice deep inhale as you draw your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, release that breath. Do that 1 or 2 more times. And then begin to allow your breath to move just through your nostrils. So if you're comfortable closing your eyes, you're more than welcome to, but that's not a requirement. So begin to notice the breath moving in through the nostrils and moving out of the nostrils. Begin to draw that breath deep into the belly and release it completely. You can even place your hands on your belly, and as you inhale, you'll feel the belly begin to expand. You'll feel the chest expand, and as you exhale, you'll feel everything soften. So first, making a connection to your breath. And then just allow your hands to rest wherever they're most comfortable. So today we're going to do a meditation focused on self-compassion. Sometimes people will refer to it as a loving kindness meditation. And what I'm going to walk through with you today comes from the work of Dr. Kristen Neff. So it's a self-compassion break. You can do this anytime. So let us first start by just squeeze your hands together. Make a tight fist with each hand. Squeeze it a little bit tighter. And now I want you to just open your palms up. And notice the difference between that tight grip and the open palm. Now begin to open to the moment. Open to the moment of that expansiveness, that openness that you might feel even in the palms of your hands as you move from that tight grip to that openness, more expansiveness. So just allow that to move with you throughout this meditation, that openness. Come back to the breath again. Inhale completely. And as you exhale and come to the end of that exhale, drop into the exhale and rest there for a moment. And then inhale again. And again, as you exhale, rest at the bottom for just a moment. Now in your mind, I'd like you to bring to thought a difficult situation. This could be something that you've been thinking about on and off for a long time. Anything that causes you stress. So just think about that situation, that stressful thing. And as you think of that, begin to feel it at the level of your body. What do you feel? Maybe you feel tightness in your chest. Maybe you feel that tightness in your fists, even though you're not necessarily grasping. Maybe you feel a grasping within somewhere. Just notice. And now in your mind, or you can even say it out loud, name that emotion. And one of my teachers says that emotions are energy in motion. Name that emotion. And now say to yourself, this is a moment of suffering. Relating to that difficult situation. This is a moment of suffering. And just sit with that for a moment. Recognizing your own suffering. Again, we come back to the breath. And at the end of your exhale, drop in and sit with that exhale for just a moment. And thinking about this moment of suffering, the next thing we do is we connect with common humanity. So we say to ourselves, well, other people feel this way, and you can fill in the blank, whatever your emotion is. Other people feel angry. Other people feel sad. Other people feel lonely. Whatever that emotion is, and notice it in other people. Notice it in humanity. Again, come back to the breath. And now as we take a loving gesture, place your hands to your head. And ask yourself, again out loud or in your mind, what do I need to hear right now? What do I need to hear right now? And then just sit for a moment and wait. When I practice this type of meditation, this type of almost like a prayer, sometimes the answer comes in a deep knowing. Sometimes you might hear an answer in your own voice, or it could be in the voice of another person, or you might not hear anything today. What do I need to hear right now? And then you can keep your hands at your heart, or you can release them to where it's more comfortable. The next step to this self-compassion break is to say, may I give compassion to myself for whatever that is. May I forgive. May I be strong. May I be patient. You could have many different compassionate words that you would use as you come to this part of the meditation. But the important part is it's the thing that you would say to a friend that you love. It's the thing that you would say to someone that you like to nurture. Offering yourself the same compassion that you would offer to someone that you love, someone in need. Again, just back to the breath. And notice how you feel at the level of body. a moment to just sit with this practice. Sometimes when we think about difficult situations, it can pick up anything that's not necessarily an enjoyable feeling, but we sit with it and we feel what we feel, and then we move on. The key is to love and nurture yourself exactly where you are right now in this very moment. So if you'd like to lift your hands up and reach up as you inhale and bring your hands to heart center, placing your palms together and allowing your thumbs to touch your chest. And just pause here for one last moment together. Coming back to our steps in our self-compassion break. 1, we notice when we are in a moment of suffering. 2, we connect to humanity and we remember that we're not alone. And 3, we give compassion to ourselves. As we seal this time together, we just take a moment to take a collective inhale and exhale. And in that breath, we remind ourselves that we are strong in who we are. We are also not alone. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Have a beautiful day.